Lately, there's been a lot of people in the tech community that have been looking forward to the next budget smartphone from CMF, the sub-brand of Nothing. Their last phone was highly praised, and naturally, people are curious about what's next. However, the co-founder of Nothing, Akis, recently shared a very honest update because he announced that they are officially skipping the launch of the new CMF phone this year. So I'm seeing a lot of chatter from both sides of the community here, and I'd like to dive in and discuss the positives and negatives that this strategy can create. In his post, he explains that the cost of memory components has gone up significantly, specifically pointing out the cost of RAM and storage chips that keep our devices running smoothly. Because of those rising prices, the team realized that they could not build a new phone that feels like a genuine step forward, at least not without charging a lot more money. In fact, he mentioned that even restarting the production of the current model would push the price up significantly. The phone that was initially launched at $280 here in the United States would likely see an increase to $380. And this is the Pro version of the company's affordable smartphone. So instead of making the compromise, instead of using cheaper, lower quality parts, and instead of raising the price beyond what makes sense for this budget brand, they have simply chosen to wait it out. When many of us think about technology, we're often conditioned to expect a new model every single year. The industry moves very fast, and there is a lot of pressure on companies to constantly sell something new. But I actually appreciate this decision. I think it's a very healthy strategy for a few reasons. Firstly, it's a great way to reduce what is commonly called e-waste. This happens when companies rush to put out a minor upgrade every year because those older components get discarded and older models are forgotten. But by slowing this cycle down, we give the environment a little bit of a breather. And secondly, I believe a longer break will allow the company to really refine their manufacturing process. Think about video game consoles. A company might release a console, and then a few years later, they introduce a slim version. They didn't reinvent the wheel there, but instead, they took the time to learn how to make the existing machine more efficient, quieter, and less expensive to produce. And I think that slowing down the smartphone cycle lets engineers focus on genuine improvements rather than rushing to hit those deadlines. It's going to save money for the company, and ultimately, that will protect the wallet of the consumer in the long run. The good news is that the CMF brand isn't going away. They still have new products and entirely new categories coming this year. And over at the main Nothing brand, the smartphone launch season isn't quite over yet. I think it takes courage for a business to look at the market, look at their values, and say, we would rather be upfront with our community than ship something that we aren't proud of. Even if this is nothing but a greedy decision, with the plan being entirely built around keeping the company afloat. I think it's something that most of us can appreciate because it's okay to pause, take our time, and make sure that we're doing things right. As I would rather see news like this than see entire divisions shuttered overnight. Let me know what you think about this slower approach to smartphone releases down in the comment section below. Since I've been thinking some brands like LG and HTC might still be alive and in a healthier situation today if they took a path like this.